In this video, I'm going to teach you how to white label GoHighLevel. So in order to do that, first thing you need to do is to head over right here to their website, which is GoHighLevel.com. So once you have go over to their website, you have two options from there. You can either sign up by clicking onto this 14-day free trial, or you can also log in if you already have an account. So you can choose right here which one you want to use. In my case, since I already have an account, let me head over and click onto this login to app and just input there your credentials, and you should be able to see in here your dashboard. Now into this part, in order to white label your Go High Level, you need to upgrade to Agency Pro plan. To do this, scroll down right here to your left sidebar, or you can also click on your name right here. It can be your initial or your profile picture. You can see in here your actual account, and you can edit that from there. Now in here, you can also head over right here to your settings in order to manage your actual plan. You can go right here to the billing, and into this part, you can just wait for this to load in order to see in here your actual billing dashboard. You can add in your payment method for you. Now into this part right here on your settings as well, you can see in here the other settings. You can see the domains. Click on that right there. And into this part, you can just configure a custom domain. Click on this connect a domain if you already have one, or you can also purchase a domain from this. So you need to actually connect a domain into this one. It can be a funnel, website, store, client portal, or a branded domain, or as well as WordPress. You can connect it using this part right here, and then just input right here your domain that you wish to connect. And once you have actually added your own brand into your Go High Level, you can actually call it yours and have it white labeled. So that's how you white label your Go High Level. Hope we help.